Believe in others too. People with positive attitudes bring people up, make people believe in themselves, and make them want to be better, thus making people want to grow. And it is human nature to want to learn and constantly grow. So if you're the cause for that, that's pretty awesome. In a friendship, believe in your friend through positivity and support. When your best friend tells you she's going to do a triathlon this year, even though she's never even done a 5K run, instead of saying, Jessica, is this realistic? I mean, you don't even exercise. I really don't want you to get excited about something you'll probably not even commit to. And therefore, completely diminishing any support towards her, instead, say, Jessica, that's awesome. I'm pumped for you. What a great goal to work towards. And if you do want to gently point out that a lot of training is involved, you could say, so what type of things are you thinking about doing to train? And let her take a moment to consider what's involved and explain out loud what her plan is. This is the positive way to be supportive. Even if someone doesn't reach their goal, they'll hugely appreciate and, more importantly, remember you being positive towards them and believing in them. You being positive may even be the support that they need to take action, believe in themselves, and achieve their goals. In your career, be positive and supportive with your employees or your coworkers. As a boss, if an employee submits a proposal to you for review and you see that it still needs some work, don't be the feared by all bullying authority who responds with, this report isn't long enough. The format's all wrong. It's not written well. Have you ever heard of spell check? This would leave the employee feeling small, worthless, and unmotivated because this is negative language and a negative attitude. Rather, you could be encouraging and positive by saying something like, this looks good. I like the paragraph you wrote about people relating to each other. Can we make it a bit longer and structure this more like the last one we sent out? I think that would make it even more engaging. See, scenario 1 makes the employee feel blamed and fearful. Scenario 2, a positive response, leaves the employee feeling motivated and like they're on their way to producing that great proposal they're writing. Be positive and gentle when someone comes to you with a problem. Know the difference in someone needing a solution and just needing to let steam out. If someone is complaining because they need a solution, have the attitude that everything is figure-outable, because the reality is everything is figure-outable. See things from different perspectives and say, okay, how can we make this better? Or, well, it's good that we now know not to do this. In an intimate relationship, you can be positive and supportive by listening when your other half has a problem they'd like to talk about. When I say listening, I don't mean waiting to talk and then providing them with the answer to their problem. People can often search within themselves to find the answer to their problem. So rather than saying, well, when your boss yelled at you, you should have told her you didn't appreciate being spoken to that way. You need to go into the office first thing tomorrow and tell her that she can't dump her work on you, not pay you overtime, and talk to you the way she talks to you. Often in a relationship, when one person's frustrated, they want to be heard and feel like someone is understanding them. So listen. Let your spouse express themselves, and once it's clear that they've let some steam out, you can gently, remember the word gently here, ask, what do you think your boss needs to know about the situation so she can go easier on you next time? And let your other half come up with his or her own answer while you gently guide the conversation in a positive direction. Always, in every relationship, choose to respond positively and support positivity. Consider how you would hope someone would respond to you in any situation, because everyone wants the person they're speaking to support, understand, and have a positive tone to the conversation. Another aspect of being a positive person is that positive people have fun in life. An easy way to have fun in life is to find joy in things. Take the time to notice and appreciate a sunset or a great tasting hot chocolate or someone holding the door open for you. Positive people will sing to songs playing in the car. They'll enjoy a little dance to a good song. They'll laugh and smile and be playful and not take themselves or life too seriously. Positive people are grateful people. To be more grateful, notice and appreciate the kindness of others. Appreciate the good things that come your way. Celebrate good things and celebrate the successes of others. Realize how fortunate you are to be on this earth, to have the ability to speak and walk and connect and form relationships. Being grateful out loud is a great way to sprinkle a bit of positivity on others too, because it will make them stop and notice something to be grateful for as well. Positive people use positive words always, but especially when speaking to others. So here are some ways to be more positive in conversation through your words and the topics you choose to discuss. Choose to discuss great things about whatever environment you're in. For example, wow, this home is absolutely beautiful. I love the floor-to-ceiling windows. Or, you and your coworker made me getting here from my meeting so easy with your concise directions. Use words that are positive like good, great, love, amazing, wonderful, excellent, and other great words like that rather than words like hate, ew, or phrases like it's okay, I guess, this sucks. Also, the tone you use is a huge part of being likable, and we are talking about that more in an upcoming lecture. Remember, positivity attracts more positivity. So if you want to cultivate relationships with great people and to not only be a likable person, but a likable person who is surrounded by other likable people, then be positive. As the saying goes, like attracts more like. Some of these tools to becoming a more positive person you may already incorporate into your relationships, while others may be new to you. So to take action and become more likable with a more positive magnetic attitude immediately, choose the top 3 out of these tips on how to become a more positive person. And remember, I'm here to answer any questions you have, so please ask away.